Hi everyone, James Katangay here from OneCloudX. In this video, I'll be walking you through NetSuite's Expense Commitment and Budget Validation Suite app, showing you how it works and how it can help manage your budgets effectively. Let's dive in. To begin with, let's navigate to the Expense Commitments and Budget Validation Suite app. This is fully integrated solution that extends NetSuite's native budget capabilities. So we access it from the Suite Apps menu where we can configure budget rules, spending limits, and validation workflows. So as you can see, its key benefits is to easily create the budget entries and ultimately enhance the reporting capabilities that is available for every NetSuite instance. So before we jump into the sample transactions that I prepared, let me quickly go to some of the setups that is needed for the budget validation process. So if we go to the subsidiary record from setup company, subsidiaries, all right, subsidiaries, I already prepared it for this demo. You will see that when we open a sample subsidiary that there is um, a feature or a field that is added through the Suite app. So first, it is allowing saving when budget does not exist. So this is applicable both for subsidiary and budget preferences. So if we want to allow the transactions to be saved, we need to check this tick box. Or if we want to enable the budget validation, which is the purpose of this demo, we just need to make sure that this is enabled on the subsidiary record. So for each subsidiary that you have, especially if you're using OneWorld, you need to enable this budget validation feature. And if we go to this um, budgets tab, which is added once you've installed the Suite app and go to set up budget preferences. This is where you set up the other preferences for budget validation and where you can create a budget control. So if I go to the budget preferences, let me quickly go to that page. You will see here that we need to enable the budget validation the same as what we did on the subsidiary record. And if you want to save transaction on no budget, uh, created, so you just need to enable it as well. So the budget validation source is based on the standard budget that you have in the system or a custom budget that you can create. It is based as well on a certain budget category that you choose for the budget validation process, and of course the budget control for validation. This is what we configure or set up once we do the budget validation. So named it as budget control. There are safe searches that were added in the system once we install the budget, which is particularly they are BM standard budget search, which is used for standard budget, or the BM custom budget search. And of course, you can also add or create your custom search based on the criteria that you have. So this is the budget preferences that align with the cost with the subsidiary record. And for the budget control that is used for the validation, this is these are the fields available. So you need to name the budget control and the budget control action. So it can be a warning only, or it will prevent you from saving the transaction. And you can also set up a threshold warning, or to enable the threshold warning based on the percentage of a certain person's percentage that once it met, there would be a different threshold warning message that will show on the message line. And this is based as well on the safe search that is already added in your NetSuite instance once you install the bundle. So I use here the budget transaction consumed amount. And we also have the custom messages here where we can set up customized messages for various budget validation scenarios. So for the purpose of this demo, I created a certain budget, particularly for the expense, administration expenses for consultants. I set it up for 5,000 for the period of February 2024, and to a specific budget category and subsidiary. So later on, once we create the transactions, we will use the same account. So now let's create a purchase order and see how budget validation works, and NetSuite will check if the requested amounts fits within the budget before approval, because this will ensure spending stays aligned with the financial goals of the organization. So if we go to transactions, purchases, and enter purchase order, by which I've already prepared on the separate tab, I've set up or I'll use a sample vendor, Johnstone Supplies. And if I scroll down, you will see here the same account that I use for the budget I created. But this time, the transaction amounts to 6,000, meaning it's over budget. The system will not just check this particular transaction, but all of the transactions that were created on the particular period and same account. So once I save this, all right, you will see that there's a pop-up message that um, showing that one or more transaction lines either do not have a matching budget or are exceeding budget, meaning it's already exceeds the budget that we have created, and it's based on the budget control that we have set. And since this is just a warning, I can click OK, and the system will continue to create a purchase order. So in real time, budget validation prevents overspending and ensures approvals that will follow the financial policies. As you can see, once the purchase order has been cut, the budget status message follows the warning that I've set up on the budget control. And if we go to the line level, you will see here the budget amount, which is 5,000, the consumed amount, which is consolidated for all of the transaction that has been created, and the budget warning that that the transaction line amount exceeds the budgets already. And this will be available as well in the budget reports. The budget control link is available here, and this is not just limited to purchase transaction. Now let's see how NetSuite validates expenses during creation of the vendor bills. So if a vendor bill exceeds the allocated budget, it flags as well for review. So this process ensures that organizations don't commit funds beyond what it's available. So let me just close this, and let us now create a vendor bill through transactions payable, enter bills. All right, so I've took the liberty to prepare the vendor bill as well, using the same vendor. And if I scroll down, you will see here that I use the same account, and the amount now is 1,000 AUD. All right, so once I click save, I should as well receive the same pop-up message. All right, and once I click save, it will allow me to create a vendor bill. And what does its value? So it prevents unapproved expenses from impacting financial health, and it helps companies or organizations enforce strict spending policies. At the same as the purchase order, you will see here the budget status message. And if I go down to the line level, you will see here the consumed amount. Sorry, I haven't refreshed the page earlier, so it didn't um, consider the purchase order. But you will see here the consumed amount and the budget warning, which is that it exceeds the budget for this particular account. All right. So NetSuite also provides detailed reporting to help finance teams monitor their expenses against their budget in real time. So let's take a look at some of the available reports. All right. So if I go now to my home dashboard, I've prepared here the key performance indicator portlet, where I indicated the safe searches that I can put as or have as a KPI, and as well as the budget versus actual report that can be shown in your personalized dashboard as a graph, as a chart, or as a bar chart, or a line chart or a column chart, depending on your preference. And if I go to the actual report of the budget versus actual from reports, it should be under budgets. Let me quickly banking and budgets. You will see here budgets versus actual. So I also already prepared it under the a separate tab. Once I click refresh and see the same account that I used earlier, that I have a budget amounting to 5,000 for this specific period, and the amount over budget is already considered here. So it provides visibility into spending trends and helps with financial planning and forecasting. In summary, NetSuite's expense commitments and budget validation suite app helps organizations to control their spending through the automated alerts that prevents policy violation, enforce financial policies by providing a comprehensive reporting that improves their financial planning, and lastly, to gain real-time visibility into budgets just to ensure spending control. By validating expenses before they incurred, finance teams can prevent overspending and maintain their compliance. That's a wrap for this video. If you have any questions about the NetSuite Expense Commitment and Budget Validation Suite app, feel free to reach out to us directly at OneCloudX and we'll be happy to help. Thank you and have a great day.